everybody, Carol from Carol's Vintage Treasures. Today I have a Shop Goodwill auction that I won a while back. 7 pounds of assorted fashion jewelry. I got the auction for $8.99. Shipping was $10.14. Handling was $2, so I paid $21.13 for 7 pounds of jewelry. There's not anything great in here. It's like assorted fashion jewelry. So I'm probably going to be able to make up some grab bags, some jewelry lots, and some craft lots out of this. That's what my expectations are. It came from Tucson, Arizona, which is not too far from me, about an hour away. So this is it right here. We'll bring this up a little bit more, and we'll go ahead and open it and see what we got in here. I've had this for a while, and I haven't wanted to open it because I am really afraid it is a bad buy. But, you know, I'm going to try to make the most of it. We're going to make lemons out of lemonade and see what we got here. So that's what it looks like. It's got paper in there, which I will reuse. Put that over there. It's got some bubble wrap in here, which I will reuse. Great thing about Shop Goodwill auctions, you get lots of boxes, paper, and bubble wrap. I'm just going to put the box down there. And that's what we have here. So I will open it up and we'll just see what we got. I'm optimistic, but at the same time I'm kind of dreading it. But, you know, that's what happens when you're up late at night looking at Goodwill auctions and you don't pay attention to, like, $8.99 is great. That is a great buy, but $10.14 for shipping is not great. Or $2 for handling. But still, I got it for a good price, so I shouldn't whine and complain about it. So let's see what we got here. Let's see what we can do. Right. Yay, bubble wrap. Alright. Get that out of there. And here's the bag. It doesn't look too terribly tangled, so maybe this will go faster than I thought it will. We'll go ahead and just pull it out a little at a time, and I'll show you what I got here. Yesterday was my last day at work. Thank you all for all the supportive comments and everything. I'm now a full-time reseller, so that is awesome. Alright, first piece we have here is this one. Looks like a bracelet. Kind of a statement piece. Holly's back there doing something. There's another pretty bracelet. It's got a good stretch to it. Hopefully all the pieces are there, but that would be good. We got quite a few bangles here. Let's see if I can pull some of them out and just show them to you. Save a little timer. This will be a long video. There's a few of the bangles. And bangles you can lot together. And people like to buy them in lots. Here's another one. Okay, a stretchy bracelet. Get some more bangles. I think it said there were some Claire's in here and another brand I didn't recognize. I'm trying to look at the auction. I can't see it. But here's some more bangles. Let's see, what is this? Dream It, Be It. Little bracelet. And it did say in the description that they had picked any precious metals out of this, so we cannot expect to find any gold or silver. And I have not seen that in a Goodwill auction before, where they actually came out and said that. That's kind of pretty. Lots of bracelets so far. Here's another one. That's kind of cute. It'd be nice to find some Bakelite, wouldn't it? Here's a wraparound bracelet. Here's a whatever that is. I just hope there's not a ton of Mardi Gras beads. No, I hate those. But these auctions are fun, and you don't have to pay a whole lot for them, and you can usually make a profit. You just got to watch the shipping, because if they don't get enough for the auction, or don't think they'll get enough for the auction, they will usually hike up the shipping price a bit. And I don't know if that was the case for this one, but $10.14 seems a little like a lot. But it is 7 pounds of jewelry, so that could be true. But my refrigerator just went off. It was being noisy, and now it stopped. Thank goodness. I'm in an apartment, so there's usually a few noises that we hear during these videos. I thought that would come out easier than that. Let's leave that there for now. Here's this one. Some little rhinestones. Another wraparound. Lots of bracelets in here. Looks like that's part of an earring. We'll put earrings to the side again and see if we have any matches. Here's a Claire's $3 sunglass necklace. A lot of times you get a lot of homemade stuff in here. Like, I think that's what this is. Okay. It's kind of fun to look at the different kinds of jewelry they put in these boxes. But, you know, you go in with low expectations, and then if you find something good, it's always a good thing. This is cute. Little hinged bracelet. That's kind of nice. So, we got some sea beads here. I hope everyone is having a good weekend. I think you'll be seeing this on Sunday. I'm doing this Saturday night, so I'm a little behind in my videos. I usually have a couple done ahead of time so that I can, you know, not be so stressed out about not having videos. But I'm sitting on the couch over there and I realized I don't have a video for tomorrow. So I grabbed this wonderful little box of joy here. We're going to see what we can find. We're going to find something good. I know it. It was a sad day at work yesterday. I had to say goodbye to everybody. But what did I do? I went in there and went shopping today. Said hi to everybody. So I guess I'm going to have to wean myself off the place. You make a lot of friends when you know, work in a place like that. Kind of a tight-knit little family. And I'm going to miss everybody. They actually even got me flowers and a cake. Very, very sweet. And let's see here. Some of this may be just too tangled. Let's see what we can pull out. I see a few more bracelets. Here's that. Got that one. I found a few little things for a haul that I can show you on my what's sold video next week. Hopefully something will have sold. I haven't had anything come through yet, but I haven't started my listing yet, which I plan to jump on tomorrow. Hopefully that will stir up some sales. We got here, I'm not sure what this is. It's a leaf. A leaf necklace. I hear kids yelling outside. I hope Holly doesn't start barking. She just doesn't understand why we can't have our little world to ourselves here. And, oh, this is cute. It's a little red and gold necklace. At least we're getting some necklaces now. That's pretty. Yeah, I've had this box for a while now. I've just been kind of dreading untangling 7 pounds of jewelry. But it's not that hard. See, we're doing good. And I've got you here for the ride. So we're going to do really well here. Oh, these are nice. Cold to the touch. There's some kind of a stone. There's a little metal one. Here. Got that. I had one lady get mad at me for saying that's what that looks like, and now I'm afraid to say it anymore, ever. People get annoyed at the silliest things. There you go. And honestly, I'm not sitting here trying to irritate people. I'm trying to show you a beautiful haul. Oh, wow. Not sure what's going on here. Let's see. Maybe I can unhook this. There we go. Boy, that little booger doesn't want to get loose. There we go. We have this. That's pretty. There's this one. That. There's actually more jewelry in here than in the Goodwill recycled box I got of jewelry last time. There was only 5 pounds in there. And I think that was including the weight of the box. And they didn't say that in this case, but I'm not sure. Usually they'll weigh the bag of jewelry and then they'll show it on the scale in the auction pictures. But if you're interested in that, just go to shopgoodwill.com. And they'll have different auctions you can look at. Just do it responsibly. Don't get carried away. And always remember that you have to account for your shipping and your handling and stuff. Looks like that might be some kind of a piece to a necklace or something. Pendant. Okay. There's another one. And I gotta get some craft bags together. People like to buy those when they're making jewelry, doing crafts. They use the bits and pieces from it, from the broken jewelry, to do that. And that's great. They're recycling, keeping it out of the landfill. That's a really good thing. If I get anything really, really tangled, I might put it to the side and show it to you later. That's that. There's a few more bangles. There's pretty. hope everyone's doing well this weekend. Got to spend some time with their families. And I know I'm having a hard time figuring out my new schedule now that I'm just going to be reselling. I gotta get on the ball here and make things happen. There's that one. I canceled my FabFitFun box because it just got to be too expensive. I think I have one more coming and that's it. I don't know why I paid for the year and they charged me $67 on top of that. I don't know what I did wrong, but I definitely have to look into that. But anyway, I went ahead and canceled it so they won't be charging me anymore, hopefully. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's hooked here. Let me see if I can unhook this. And it wasn't going to be that easy. Well, that's what that looks like. It's a bracelet. I'm just going to stick it over there for now. And there's that one. Lots of bangles. Boy, this is really tangled. There's a bangle. There's that. Oh, I see sun. Cute little necklace. There's that. If you see anything interesting that I'm showing you, or you know what it is, make sure you comment down below. Or let me know if you've gotten any of these boxes, what your experience has been with them. I actually like the smaller lots of jewelry where you can see what you're getting in the pictures and you don't have all this untangling to do. And I've had some really good luck with those. You get some better quality jewelry that way, I think. Let's see. Well, I can't get that fastened, but that's what that looks like. And it's a bracelet, it looks like. There. There we are. Look at this. I might have to come back to this after I untangle some pieces and show you. That's got a piece missing, but there's a bracelet. Oh boy. See, this is why I was dreading opening this box. I knew it would be a tangled mess. And when I saw it, I thought, well, it's going to be less expensive than the blue box of jewelry, because that's over $50 by the time you add on shipping and everything. Plus I'll get more jewelry. I'll get 2 pounds more jewelry. So that was my reasoning. But oh man. But we'll keep at it. I hope you like long videos. This is, oh wow. I'll just try to pull some of the easier pieces out so you don't have to wait so long. Maybe. If I can get to them. Oh my gosh. I know I had one box once where the tangles were so bad I actually had to cut some things and break them. but they were broken anyway, so that was okay. All right. There's bangle. Here's a little chain. You can save some of the chains, so if you get other pieces that match them, you can always, you know, this, I think this is a Claire's piece. I'm not sure, but that's what that looks like. All right, there's a little yellow bangle with some rhinestones on it. And there's that. There's another one. That was Holly. She's making her noises again. She's going, "What are you doing?" I don't know if this goes to this. I'll have to figure it out later. It might be two different chains. But there's kind of a black heart metal necklace. And there's this one. It's like it's just a lot of little costume jewelry. There's something there. No, Holly, I know they're playing by the door. Those kids. Oh my goodness. No. 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 There's this one. Usually I have the TV on and it drowns some of it out, but the TV's not on now, so she can hear them. She's like, "Get away from my door, you young whippersnappers." That's all right. They're just playing. Holly, no, baby. No. I'm going to stop for a minute and come back. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back, everybody. I had to quiet her down a little bit. She was all kinds of upset. And we got this one here. Looks like it's got some bells and flags and stars. It says USA on it. And I have this one. Little statement necklace. No, Holly. They're being so loud. Oh my gosh. They're running around trying to catch a black cat, from what I can gather in the conversation out there. So we will carry on. I might stop the camera for a little while and try to untangle some of this and come back. Otherwise, I will be here forever with you trying to untangle this big old mess. But yeah, I think that's probably what I'm going to have to do. Let me try. There's that bracelet that we found. I'll pull out a few more pieces and then I will do that. And then I'll come back and show you everything that I untangled. Isn't that pretty? And we got this. It's Novo. A bunch of, looks like necklaces. Oh, some kind of a choker, I think. There's a bracelet of some sort. There's this. And I'm not sure what that is. Maybe an earring? Yeah, it's an earring. It's got a hook on it. we'll put that to the side and see if we can find its little mate. Okay, so I'm going to pull out everything that I can pull out here, and everything else I'm going to be going back and untangling, and then I'll come back and show you. Because if I sat here with you and did this, we would be here for like 3 hours. So let's just go ahead and pull out what we can pull out of it. There is a bracelet with a charm. And there's this one. Some beads. Oh, that's actually an earring. Okay, and there's another one. I'm not sure what that is. And there's that. And that. Maybe by that time those children will be calmed down out there. It's not even... Oh, are those handcuffs? Those are handcuffs. Look at that. It's not even the normal children. It's children I haven't really seen around very much. But there are all kinds of crazy out there right now. So these will go in a craft bag. So I don't think... Well, here's a couple more. There's a necklace. There's this. What is that? It looks like hearts, maybe. A bracelet. Anything else we can shoot free here? I think that's going to be it. So there's another little chain. I will busy myself pulling this all apart, and when I come back I will have something to show you in this box. So I will be right back. Well, I am back. It's a couple of hours later. The kids that were making noise have all gone inside, I believe. And this is the big tangle that I showed you. Minus this, I could not get this untangled for the life of me. But I will keep working with it and report back and let you know if there's anything good in here. There's an angel. And a bunch of chains that are just clumped together really hard. So I'll show you one at a time what was in that big clump. We had this necklace. I'm tempted to put these in baggies so I don't have to untangle them again, because I do not want to have to do that anymore. That took me a good couple of hours, no kidding. All right, we have this beaded one. This big chain. We have this one. And these, I'm not sure if they're supposed to be all together like this, but they're some kind of earrings. I'll have to figure that out a little better. There's a bird and an arrow, and this one has the bird and the arrow, and there's also a cross. That might be just stuck in there because it wouldn't come out. I don't know. But, and that is another necklace. And there's a necklace. We have this one here. We have this one. It's kind of a V necklace with a tassel. And that. And that's still kind of tangled, but at least I got it free of the others. And this bracelet. And there's a chain. This says grandma, and it most likely either held birthstones or name charms on it, but they were not in the tangle, unfortunately. There's a chain. And there's a beaded necklace. Here's one with an anchor. Hard to believe all this was in that big old gob of jewelry. That's just a ribbon. We have this one. And this here. There is a pendant. I'm not sure which one of those chains it went on, but here we have this one. Boy, that was a tangled mess. And there's that. We have this one. This one was terrible with all these little balls on it. Oh my gosh. And that is some kind of a bracelet. Got a little butterfly. Looks like a kid's bracelet. This is a dragon pendant. And this one that's a longer beaded necklace. And there is a cloth type bracelet. There's this one. Now, I wasn't able to look for any marks or anything yet, but I'm just guessing that I don't have anything here since it said that it was tested. But since it was quite tangled, they might have missed a few things, because I'm thinking somebody just threw that in a box and they didn't want to deal with it. So, I mean, as bad as it was. That. And there's a... what in the world is this? Maybe a bird of some sort, or phoenix. I got this. But thanks for being so patient with me with all the interruptions we had. This was quite a big box of jewelry, so we had a lot to untangle and go through. There. My hands are very dirty, as they always are when I do one of these boxes. This is kind of pretty, a leaf pendant and a chain. There's the pendant there. Excuse me. There's another one. And there's some more bangles. I don't know if I already showed you these or not. I don't think I did, because I kept coming over and putting them on the table here as I got them untangled. And there's a bracelet. And there is another one there. There's more handcuffs. This one's a necklace, looks like. Kind of a gunmetal. There's that. And we have a little plastic thing here. Here's this. I think that's broken. And here. And this. This says baby girl. And this. And this says, what is this? I just got it all tangled again. I don't know what this says. Maybe it's someone's name. But I will still show it to you. And we got this. And this broke, but it's a bunch of white beads. And lots of chains. And we had this one. And this one. So my goodness, what a perfect ending to the big old box of jewelry. So, excuse me. Was it worth $21.13? I don't know. I'm going to look at it a little closer. I don't think there's anything fantastic here. But there will be a lot of stuff for craft lots and jewelry lots, a lot of things together that people can buy. So, always fun to go through these. Not so much fun to untangle them. But, hey, it's part of the deal, right? So, let me know what you thought in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. And here's the rest of it. I put it back in the box. Whoa. As I drop it. Oh my goodness. Here we go. You already saw all this stuff. But I'll show it to you one more time. So, that was the stuff that was pretty easy to get apart. So, 7 pounds of assorted fashion jewelry, Shop Goodwill. Thank you. And I will be going through these at a later date, listing whatever I can and putting the rest into lots. So I hope you enjoyed the jewelry unboxing. Let me know what you thought in the comments down below. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Take care.